back to my YouTube channel. Nice to see you here once again. It's yet another video with Lorenzi's Creative. Okay, a few days ago I posted a wig, a kid's wig, telling you that I will show you how to install the wig. So this is the wig here. This video is to let you know or show you how I will install this wig on the little kid. That's my little niece I use as a model. So before we start, if you know you are just tuning into this channel, please hit that subscribe button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you would love to see in this channel. Once again, I'm Lorencia Chizoba. Thanks for coming. I'll be using for this installment is, of course, the wig. That's the kids wig. I have a detailed tutorial on how I made this wig, so please, I would love you to click on the link that I'll drop it on the description box below. Please click on the link to know how I created this wig from the scratch, even how I made the cap. Look at the inside, look at how it looks inside, even how I made the cap. So please click on the link on the description box so as to watch the video on how I made this. So the next thing I'll be using is this elastic band here. This is the elastic band I'll be using for this tutorial. I got this from their local fabric store, so you can get yours too. Then I'll be using a needle and a thread, a black thread preferably. Then my gel, this is a white gel. Then I'll also be using my tape, okay, and a pair of scissors. So please please watch this video till the end. What I did was just take this elastic band like this at the back of the head here, from my ear to the next ear here. We draw it a little bit, but not too much, okay? So this is what I got from here. Let me just, from here, this is about 6 inches for an adult. Then I'll add up to like 2 inches for the sewing. That's 1 inch each. So, but as for a kid, I will reduce it to about 5.5 inches. I'm doing this because I don't want it to be too tight on her, and if eventually it is too loose, I will still tack it. I'll show you how I will tack it if it's too loose. So what I'll be using for her measurement is 5.5. Then I'll add about 1.5 inch or 2 inch, or 1.5 inch for the sewing. Okay, so let's cut. Remember in our last tutorial I showed you how I marked out the ear of the cap. So if you haven't watched it, please go and watch where I made this cap, and I also show you the mark of how I got the measurement for the ear. Okay, so this elastic band will be placed on the ear from this side. I hope you're seeing this. From here, that's from the ear to ear. So I will place it this way and I will start sewing it down. done. Now let's go to the next step, which is tinting the lace. But in this video I will not show you how I do that, because I've already made a video on how I tint my laces. So I will just show you how it looks like after tinting, but I will drop a link on the description box on how to tint your laces. Princess, Mademoiselle Michelle. So I'm done tinting the lace, as you can see. So let's proceed in putting it on her hair. I will proceed in cutting off the excess lace at the front, thereby making way for it to look more natural. Then trim off the baby hairs to the size I want it to make it shorter. Then I'll go ahead and laying down the baby hairs using the white gel I showed you earlier and a toothbrush for the edges brush. Then I'll go ahead and using a concealer, which is her color, her skin tone. I'll use it to apply on the edges of the net. It helps it look more natural. Then also apply it to the open parts on the net, as in where I cornrowed. Then I'll go ahead and tying it down using a scarf, just as you can see.
is that? It's light.
After about 5 minutes, I'll untie the scarf again, then apply some powder.